Hi students, welcome back to Business and Entrepreneurship Education Grade 9. In our last lesson, we have learned about demand and demand curve. In today's video, we will learn about supply. Learning objectives. At the end of this unit, you should be able to define the term supply, draw a supply curve, and analyze the factors affecting supply. What is supply? Supply is the quantity of a commodity offered for sale by sellers on the market at a given price and time. What is the law of supply? The law of supply states that when prices increase, quantity supplied increase, and when prices decrease, quantity supplied decrease. Therefore, there is a direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. As you can see, when price increase, quantity supply will also increase. And when prices decrease, quantity supplied also will decrease. Examples of the law of supply. If the price of coffee beans increases, suppliers will supply more coffee beans. Another example is, if the price of electric bike decreases, suppliers will supply less of electric bike. Now, you can take some minutes for a review and sum up. What is supply? What does the law of supply states? Complete the table below. The supply curve. The supply curve is a diagram that shows the quantity supplied of a commodity at each price. The supply curve is drawn from the supply schedule. A supply curve is upward sloping from left to right. What is a supply schedule? The supply schedule is a table which shows the quantity supplied of commodities at given prices. Here is an example of a supply schedule. When price is 100, quantity supplied is 50. When price is 110, quantity supplied is 60. When price is 120, quantity supplied is 70. And when price is 130, quantity supplied is 80. Now, let us see how to draw the supply curve. In the supply curve, there are the y-axis, known as price, the x-axis, known as quantity supplied in units, 0 is the point of origin, and SS is the supply curve. Here is an example of how to draw a supply curve. As you can see, when price is 80, quantity supplied is 40. And when price is 70, quantity supplied is 30. When price is 60, quantity supplied is 20. And when price is 50, quantity supplied is 10. Now, let us see the different factors affecting supply. The first one is price. That is, price of the product itself. The second one is other factors, and it consists of cost of production, technology, climate, and taxes. Price of the product itself. If the price of a particular product increases, the quantity supplied for that product will increase. Other factors. Cost of production. If cost of production increases due to expensive raw materials or higher labor cost, suppliers will be discouraged to supply more at the same price. Technology. If suppliers use advanced technology, production will be more efficient and more goods can be supplied. Climate. In specific climatic conditions or seasons, for example spring, winter, summer or autumn, some commodities will be supplied more or less. Taxes. A rise in tax, such as the value-added tax, will discourage suppliers to produce more goods. Now, you can make a sum up by defining the term supply. What is a supply curve? What is a supply schedule? And list the factors affecting supply. Here are some links that you can use for further information. Well, we have come to the end of this video. Keep watching. In our next program, we are going to talk about movement and shift of the supply curve. For the time being, it's a goodbye from me.